Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then of course in the general settings we have to scroll in order to find the security section. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to find encryption and credentials and tap on clear credentials option, so the option at the very bottom. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been raised successfully. We cannot tap on it, so it is another evidence that we just successfully removed the certificates. What is more, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will probably ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.